Hello, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, then you go to the passenger side, and you should see a coolant reservoir here. And then if needed to, this cap is the top of your radiator where you could add a little coolant if you got really low. But your reservoir here, make your vehicles all the way cool and turned off. You don't want to do this while it's on or hot because the system gets to a boil. And you don't want this liquid, this poisonous liquid, to shoot out on you. But on the side, you'll see like a max line pretty far down. You don't want this filled all the way to the top. There's supposed to be some air gap. But make sure you've got the same color coolant as what's already in here, and ideally the same brand you've been using. It's best not to mix and match if you can help it. But you just unscrew this, and then either with the funnel or straight from your coolant jug, just fill as needed. And then screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And again, if it got really low, you can open this as well to add to your radiator directly, but you'll just push down and unscrew, and it pops right off. And then when you're done filling, just pop it tight again, make sure it's all nice and tight, and then double check all around for any cracks in the system or lines with the radiator through this coolant around where the lines all run around the motor. One way to check too for possible leaks is while the vehicle's running. You might see some coolant start to puddle around the engine compartment or under the vehicle. If it is, way to tell that versus like water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to it. It would have a slight sweetness smell to it. And you don't really want it on your skin, but if you have gloves on or something and you touch it, it'll feel slightly more slick compared to what water feels like. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.